professor in the Business and Information Technology Department at Kirkwood Community College. Sandy O'Brien and I would like to formally submit our proposal for the Endowed Chairs Program. So that we could give you a peek into our project, we decided to provide a multimedia version of our proposal. Enjoy. Sandy and I found that customer service is a key topic in many of our courses. However, it's taught using random information generally found on the internet. Whether you are communicating an English assignment or answering a computer helpline question, basic customer service should be at work in your response. After a bad experience that I had at a local big box store, I was lamenting to Sandy about the loss of quality customer service. We decided that the need for customer service education is important. It should be a relevant addition to any curriculum. Our advisory committee has mentioned this over and over and has actually asked for our help. If only there was a way to make it easy for instructors to add this vital topic to their curriculum. We recall a time when we were first teaching and we were able to order boxes of material from the local area education agency. It contained curriculum, videos, worksheets, and other class materials on almost any subject. A teacher didn't have to be an expert on a subject because the materials were already ready in a box. Today we rely on web resources, adding barriers of possible copyright violations and inconsistent web link. Our solution, our goal, is to combine our strength. Mine in curriculum design, Sandy's in multimedia, to create an innovative customer service training in a box module. Specifically, my role is to gather research from local business and industry, and then design and write the curriculum. Sandy's role is to use the curriculum. She will actually record video scenarios and create the interactive training module. This techno-savvy interactive training module will use free use materials gathered from local businesses and industry research or created by us to provide local ownership. The module will follow educational copyright guidelines and will be offered as free use to faculty and staff at Kirkwood. This module will be moldable to fit any classroom time frame because of the unique modular design, allowing for multiple options, which we are estimating from 1 to 5 class hours. We will include multi-discipline application scenarios. Instructors in discipline-specific areas will be able to adapt this unit to their class. General education courses, like English and math, will also find this module useful. The goal of this project will be to create a techno-savvy instructional unit in a box on the subject of customer service, which will be available to Kirkwood Community College instructors to use in their courses for 1 to 5 class periods, starting spring semester of 2014. Specifically, the objectives are as follows. We are going to create a database of best practice customer service strategies to be used in the creation of this module. We're going to use the best practice research to create an instructional unit with the flexibility of instruction for 1 and up to 5 class periods. We're going to use the customer service instructional unit, gather and create appropriate media, audio and video, to support the student activities included in the unit. We will combine the instructional materials with the audio and video in an appropriate format that is supported by the technology available at Kirkwood Community College. Next, we will provide instructional unit to Kirkwood instructors. And last, we will instruct the Kirkwood instructors on the use of this unit. Assessment. As I mentioned in the introduction, the best practice concepts included in this module will be gathered from current industry practice through interviews with local business contacts. These local business contacts will be used as our advisory group so that we align the relevance of the instructional materials to current practices. A pilot project will then be completed in classes taught by Sandy and I to assess the quality and ease of implementation of the instructional unit. Dissemination. This instructional unit will be packaged with the original premise in mind that an instructor could order up this box and drop it into their curriculum at any time. With this concept idea in mind, we plan to make this unit available on KIN, which is available to instructors at all Kirkwood Community College locations. To make Kirkwood instructors aware of availability of this unit, we plan to present a session on the use of this unit through the Kirkwood Center for Learning and Technology, KCELT, during next year's November Professional Development Days. Budget. We will propose this project with two options for compensation, and we're asking the committee to choose from these two options. With both options, the majority of the compensation will be for time, talent, and work of the collaborators. There will be little cost for materials. Option 1. This would be 2 endowed chair positions at 6 credits each. I will gather research from local business and industry, as well as the needs of instructors inside and outside of the business department. For example, international studies, speech, writing, developmental education. With this option, Sandy will develop the module using video scenarios for both the Business and Information Technology Department and the other departments, international studies, etc. This module then will also be available for staff training so that high standards of customer service can be met at Kirkwood Community College. Option 2 is 1 endowed chair position of 6 credits. Sandy and I would each receive 3 credits and share this one position. The work for this project will be done the same as with option 1, but would be limited to the Business and Information Technology Department. If you choose our proposal, we will benefit greatly. Kirkwood's charge is to meet the needs of the community. Through this project, we will have the opportunity to interact and gain knowledge from local business and industry professionals to prepare our students to meet the community needs. Sandy would also benefit by having the experience of putting an entire media package together. This package can then be used in her multimedia class as a professional sample. I would finally get the answer to my $64,000 question of what is good customer service as viewed by local business and industry. Also, I'd have the ability to share this knowledge in my classes. Credits and bibliography. The Kirkwood Management Program Advisory Committee members recommended that we research customer service and add training to our curriculum. This project includes research, so the bibliography is of course not yet complete because it's an integral part of our project.
grocery store is customer service, and that's what you're going to learn today in this video. Right, Robert?
Right.
Time for our first lesson. This is Scott. He's one of the stalkers here. Let's see how he reacts to a customer that looks like they need help. should always acknowledge a customer when they look lost or confused. Now let's see how Scott really should handle this interaction.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I'm a little lost. Where's the shampoo aisle?
Sure, you want to follow me right this way? I'll take you right there.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Give me right down here.
Thank you.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Wow, that was great customer service. That's how you should always act when you're on the sales floor. Great job, Scott.